class. Welcome to Weaver's e-learning. I am your English teacher Madhulika Trivedi. Now I am going to start chapter number 9 as we have already discussed about it. This is your revision class. Pronoun and its kind. We will discuss here what is pronoun, use of pronoun and types of pronoun. As I told you that pronoun is a word that we use in the place of noun. Why we use pronoun? We use pronoun to make the sentence easier to understand and shorter to write. To avoid repetition of noun, if we talk all the time, repeat the same name again and again, so it will not look good. That's why to avoid repetition of noun, we use pronoun in the place of noun. As personal pronoun, first type of pronoun is personal pronoun, and personal pronoun has three kinds: first person, second person and third person. First person, second person and third person. First means for me, us and and second person means you. You means what, singular, one person or two person. You is come under plural, but you means any one person or more than one. Means who is in front of us is called you. And third person means whom we are talking about, means which is not present here and we are talking about them. So this is called third person of personal pronoun. First I, second person is you, and third person is he, him, they, all these. Now demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun means which we use to indicate something. Demonstrate means that, these, those, it. These are the pronouns which are used to point out things or person to which they refer. Means this is your English class. Which class? English. These, that, those, such. These are demonstrative pronouns. Means when we use these are the words which we use to indicate something or indicate some person. As this for the thing which is near to us, that for the thing which is not near to us, and these for singular which is near to us, and those for plural which is not near to us. Such is the result of dishonesty. Means such are the rich and developed countries. Means India is a underdeveloped country. So such type of country is need so more equipment to enhance the teaching learning quality of the student. Now relative pronoun. Relative pronoun means class the pronoun which we use to show possession, means belonging of any person. Means the thing belong to which. I have a robot. The robot can do homework. I have a robot which can do my homework. Means relation between robot and homework. Means we use to connect two statement. Such type of pronoun is called relative pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns means a reflexive pronoun are those which show the action done by subject come back to it. We can have reflexive pronoun by adding self or to my, myself, yourself, themselves, all these. And then interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun means class all the interrogative statements. All the question is called means the WH word. Means when the interrogative sentence start with WH, so all WH words are known as interrogative pronoun. Non-distributive pronoun. These are the pronouns refer to the one of the thing or person at a time. Example of distributive pronouns are each, either, neither. Each of the men means we are distributing each, or either means anyone, neither means none of these, and none means none of these, you know very well. So class, what you have to do, you just make a sentence using all these pronouns. Personal pronoun, make 3 sentences using personal pronoun and demonstrative pronoun and relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun. All these work you have to do and send in the group, and I will check whether it is right or wrong. And don't do it in your fair copy. You have to just write in your rough copy. Means you have to make using 2 type of pronoun. You have to make 2 sentence. Personal pronoun or demonstrative pronoun, relative pronoun or reflexive pronoun, interrogative pronoun or distributive pronoun. Means use any 2 kinds of pronoun and then make 2 example of each. Okay class, this is enough for today. Then for tomorrow we will start a new chapter.